I'm in my backyard right now. I know the audio is probably really bad. I am recording this on my phone mic, but that's because I'm going to test this little wireless DJI mic in the rain just to see how good of sound quality it actually has. So I'm going to plug the receiver in and you're going to be hearing me on the DJI mic now. And I am in some pretty heavy rain here in my backyard. I got my umbrella out. We got the raindrops hitting the umbrella. I mean, these things are awesome. I love these mics just because the audio quality is the best I've ever had when it comes to a wireless mic. I've tried multiple from my phone and multiple from my mirrorless cameras, and none of them had the quality that I wanted. As you can see, the range is awesome as well. It has an 820-foot max range on it, and it's everything that I need for my videos, my reviews that I do. You even do get a nice carrying case for it as well, plus a windscreen, which I probably should have put on back there, but I just wanted to test it out without the windscreen. These little magnets are super helpful as well. You can attach the magnets right on the other side of your shirts or your jackets, anything like that, and just clip on the mic right to them so that you don't always have to have it clipped on all the time. It also does have all the included cords for your other outputs, for your DSLRs and your mirrorless cameras, pretty much any device. And it also comes with the Lightning and USB-C adapter as well for the receiver. So overall, I would highly recommend these mics, especially if you're a content creator or someone that wants to make videos. Audio quality on these is crisp. The distance on these is amazing. Would definitely recommend these.